Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Yes, the nearby attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 6.4, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent if guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms are available for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. Hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that